In this video, the pups have a stranger at the door. Scout has to deal with some horrible fireworks. And the pups go off lead in the woods. Be sure to click like and subscribe for more Magnus and Scout videos. Hello and welcome to another Magnus and Scout video. It's fireworks season and Guy Fawkes Night is approaching rapidly, and for those who've watched the videos before, Scout is terrified by fireworks, has a really hard time, shakes and pants all night long. So this year we thought we'd try something a little bit different in treatment of fireworks for Scout. The first thing we bought was NutriCalm, which is a supplement you can give to your dog to help them feel calm and relaxed. We used this with Scout in the build up to Guy Fawkes Day when fireworks are a little bit more sporadic. To make Scout interested in eating the pills, we placed them in some corned beef which was squished together. That way she'll eat them without any bother. So here you go, Scout. So it's just 3 pills per day, and this keeps Scout relaxed and calm when the fireworks are not so many and a bit more sporadic. And Scout is quite happy to chomp them down when we have the corned beef. So you can see she's quite relaxed and quite mellow. So these have been working very well for the days before the whole fireworks kick off. We spoke to the vet about how Scout deals with fireworks and how badly she reacts, and the vet recommended that we put Scout on some Xanax for the firework days themselves. So we got some from our vet. It's 1 pill and a little bit of meat, just again to get Scout interested. Are you ready, Scout? And we're going to give this to Scout 2 hours before the event kicks off. So it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We've popped on Scout's thunder jacket, just keep her a bit snug, and we've given her the tablet. While we're waiting for the tablet to kick in, we've got a buffalo ear for Scout to chow down on. We've got one for Magnus too. Just a chewing action will keep Scout calm and relaxed. We've decided to give this in advance of any fireworks, so by the time the fireworks do kick off, she'll be fully engrossed into eating the buffalo ear, and one for Magnus too. We've also got some Andre Roux on the television, just playing some classical music to keep the nice and calm environment, so it's blaring on the television to hopefully drown out the sound of any fireworks. So the fireworks are kicking off now quite badly. Scout's getting a little bit stressed, a little bit of panting going on there. She's not shaking like she was last year, so the tablets are starting to do their thing. Probably a little bit more, they'll kick in properly. So to help Scout out as well, we've put some cotton wool in their ears and a little scarf to try and drown out the sound for Scout. So the fireworks are in full effect now, but so are the tablets for Scout, and she's very calm and very relaxed. There's no shaking, she's just very relaxed and chilled on there. So the tablets are doing their thing, which is great, because it's a lot better than Scout being stressed. So it's really good at having a positive effect on her, and she's not being reactive to the fireworks. So the fireworks have stopped now, and Scout's just back to her normal self, just relaxing there. So if you're having problems with fireworks, perhaps speak to your vet. It seems to have worked very well for Scout, and I would recommend seeing the vet for this treatment. The other evening there, we had a stranger turn up at our back door. It was a very brave cat coming to say hello to Magnus and Scout. Luckily for the cat, the door was locked, and my wife was about to head to the back garden to take the cat back to where it belongs. As a reward for Scout putting up with the horrible fireworks, we decided we'd take Scout and Magnus to Smeaton Dogwood in East Lothian, so we had a little bit off lead time in the woods. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again soon for more Magnus and Scout videos.